Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and if y'all are new, hello, my name is Lorena and thank you so much for clicking on this video. Anyways, today's gonna be a makeup tutorial top video. I recently was able to go makeup shopping. I went to Myers, you know, nothing fancy, didn't get a whole lot, but I got new makeup that's new to me. Okay, it may not be new to you, but it's new to me, just saying. So if I'm looking this way, it's because my mirror's over here, so sorry. Okay, anyways, my face is already moisturized, and I'm gonna go in and put, what's this? Spotlight Illuminating Primer by Physicians Formula. I actually got this because it reminded me of the Becca and Fenty one, just by what I read. But yeah, and I thought, well, I mean, this is cheaper, so why not just go for this one and try it out? On my face, I kind of put a lot, but you know, it's okay, it's okay. I'm going to go in with the Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation and concealer. I am in 05 Warm Beige. Okay, let me say I hope I'm in 05 Warm Beige, because last time I tried to do this with a foundation and it wasn't my shade at all. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and put that on a damp beauty blender. Alright, now that I have that done, I'm gonna go ahead. Look at my giraffe. Hello. Hi. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and conceal. Yeah, conceal my face. I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind concealer, treatment concealer. Yeah, that. And this one is in Fair. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on my face, and then I'm gonna go in my Anastasia contour kit and put the banana powder on it to set it. So now that I have that done, I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows really quick. I'm gonna just go ahead and turn off the camera and come back. I'm gonna just go ahead and do what I've been doing, and it's using the Goof Proof Brow Pencil by Benefit in number 5. So yeah, be right back. I'm gonna be using the Younique Beachfront Bronzer in Hermosa. Okay, and bronze up the face. Alright, now that I have that, I'm going to go ahead and put on my highlight, and it's from Milani, and it's in Dayglow, 02 Dayglow. It looked like this. think I'll be putting blush on just because I don't really want to. I don't know. I'm not feeling I'm not feeling brush today. So yeah, blush. I'm not feeling blush today. Alright, now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna try out the Rimmel London little palette, eyeshadow palette that they have. This is the 004 Day to Night palette, but it pretty much has all these nice colors in it. I never tried it. I've never seen anyone do any reviews on these, so I'm hoping it's good because I don't know. I'm gonna go ahead and before I do that, for my crease at least, I'm gonna go in my contour kit and get this shade right here. So when you open it, it'll be like that one. I'm gonna go ahead and get that and put that in my crease area just because this one really don't have anything matte that I can put in my crease besides the blue and 2 other dark colors I don't really want. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put that in my crease area. Okay, now I'm gonna just go in 3rd shade in the palette, which is this one. Excuse my nail. It's that one right there. And I'm gonna put this all over the lid. Now that I have that, I put that in the inner corner of my eye, just let it pop a little bit. I'm gonna go in back with the highlight and put it on my high points of my brow. I'm gonna still put some in here with the inner corner. I think I'm gonna put that shade from the contour palette underneath. Well, no. I'm gonna just go ahead and just blend it out a little bit. Sorry, that's only one eyeshadow from it. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do my lashes. I'm gonna do Theraroll by Benefit and I'll be right back. Alright y'all, now that I have the mascara done, I'm gonna go ahead with my lips and I'm gonna put on, these are both from Milani. First I'm gonna go in with a lip liner in number 4 All Natural, and then I'm gonna go in with a lipstick. It's in 69 Matte Beauty. So yeah, let's do the lips. Alright y'all, this is the final look of this look. I hope y'all enjoyed this little tutorial of seeing some things that I haven't used, you know, because I'm sure y'all are tired of me using the same thing. But I can't help it, you know, a girl's on a budget, you know. I can't just be spending my money on just everything that comes out. So yeah, I really like how this turned out. I'm definitely gonna be recreating it for something that's gonna be happening, coming out soon. Well, coming out soon, I guess. I don't know. But if y'all have any guesses, put it down below. If you know. If you think you know what's gonna be going on. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this little makeup tutorial. And yes, and yes, thank you so much for watching. Please like if you like this video. Subscribe down below, of course, if you like me. I hope you do, and I hope you want to stay and just grow with me, you know. Anyways, remember, please spread love and positivity, because that is what we need right now in this world. So yeah, there's no need for no ugliness, no negativity. Like, come on, y'all, we are here to lift each other. Don't be that person to bring someone down. Like, come on. So yeah. Thank y'all again for watching and clicking on this video, and I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye. Ow. This is a perfect match, y'all. This sponge is kind of like hard, but I mean, I'll still use it. It's just kind of hard to the touch, you know. Don't you just hate when like all your stuff is dirty? Like brushes, eraser, dark circle, eraser.